Two smart fellows, they felt smart.
Two smart fellows, they felt smart.
Excellent. Oh no, it's you. It's you. Everybody that drives by gets to look at that.
But look at the waterfall, the sound. Oh, and don't forget, little garden gnome. This is just a cool way to live. And not only that, you know, I'm living it every day in my backyard, and it's awesome.
One smart fellow, he felt smart.
One smart fellow, he smelled fun. Oh.
I love my job. Nice office, buddy. Wow, look at that.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
So this is where you come every day, huh? 2 miles from your house, and this is where the guys meet up. What do you do at the house?
House is rented out to a family member.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Yeah, we got our shop in the back.
Oh no, it's you. It's you. What's up, Dustin? I already vlogged with you once.
Well, Greg, what we have here is...
You just kind of rotate around, huh? Dustin Strobel, how you doing?
Mason.
Mason, nice to meet you. Hey, Robbie. So this is where you guys start off every day, huh?
This is it, this is our shop.
Very nice. So how long have you had this?
3 months.
Oh, wow, it's brand, and you've already got the fountain up there.
Yeah.
Did you do that for me?
Absolutely.
This is how you run the business, out of this pole barn, basically, huh?
That's it, yeah. 20 by 20 pole barn.
How long have you guys been on the team?
About a year. About 4 years.
Nice.
2 months.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you're the rotating man around. This is gonna be a fun one. My first time to this area. I'm Greg Wittstock, the Pond Guy. This is my channel, Greg Wittstock, the Pond Guy, all about showcasing how people live the aquascape lifestyle. And we're in Frederick, Maryland with Bees Landscaping today. Come on and check out some beautiful aquascape water features. You got hay barrels across the street, and look at this. What a display with the stacked slate urns, the spears. I love the sign, and how cool is that? He just rents that house out to his brother, then everybody that drives by gets to look at that. What a fantastic display on a road. And what I love about this is, that's how he runs a business. Right, that little pole barn right there. The house is just for his brother to live in. But wow, look at how gorgeous this is. Now, who would not want this? Talk about curb appeal, right? This would normally just be a couple of bushes and grass. Look at how much a difference can make. And a guy like this in 2 days could put something like that. Aqua blocks below them, the pumps. I love the combination of the stacked slate urns with the spears. And at night, I guarantee you this thing is lit up like a Christmas tree. We just ate the chicken off of that smoker, and we just sat out here with Alan,
He smelled fun.
Teresa, Sarah, and Scott, Ponds by Bee, and this is your beautiful family. Well, most of beautiful. And your awesome backyard.
Yes, sir.
So what do you guys think of your dad's business?
Pretty good.
And your husband's business?
I'm always impressed with what he can do.
You said he even does the pots.
He does.
That's impressive. Big burly guy like this planting little sunflowers over there. So Scott, why don't you take our viewers on a trip of your ponds?
Absolutely, love to. So here we first got a patio pond created by this guy right here.
I have a whole bunch of rosies.
Rosy Reds.
There's a goldfish coming out right now.
There's a little Rosie in there, I see.
There's a koi and a big goldfish too.
So check this out, we have pondless waterfall. What I like about this thing is the stump at the tip top of that pondless waterfall We put a pink clematis growing in that. Not only that, at night it lights up, it's gorgeous. But look at the waterfall, the sound. Oh, and don't forget, little garden gnome, how cool is that? What I love most about this is our ecosystem pond. The ecosystem pond right here. Look, it's absolutely covered in seeds from that big massive river birch. I love the river birch because it provides a ton of shade for my family on the deck. So we can hang out there when it's hot. This is nature. And the ecosystem pond is handling this load. All those debris, because it's an aquascape ecosystem pond, all the debris is carried over into the skimmer box. We dump the basket, put the basket back in, the system keeps working. The biofiltration up top where the waterfall starts just works fantastic. But look how crystal clear the water is with all the debris in it. And this is what, you know, hanging out with family and friends and cooking on the grill, hanging out with family, hanging out with a pond guy himself. How cool is that, right? The pond guy's at my house. I'm so happy to be part of this company, part of this team, the aquascape team, the bee team. This is just a cool way to live. And not only that, you know, I'm living it every day in my backyard, and it's awesome. Let me show you one more thing. Sometimes it's more about the whole package, so you get the landscape. Even have a place where I grow my aquatic plants, catch the rainwater, but I have the pondless waterfall, which I love. It's a view right out my kitchen. I have the ecosystem pond with a stream attached to it, and I have that fountain set up right in the front. So when everybody comes to the front door, that's exactly what they're seeing, a beautiful basalt columns.
There's a reason this is called the golden hour. It's just so nice to have that sound and the sunlight and the water feature. I mean, this is a great backyard. Hi, Sarah. With the pond and the waterfalls. And then you look at everywhere else in this neighborhood and it's just kind of boring. And you think, why wouldn't I want an aquascape ecosystem water feature in my backyard? It just is a great place to hang out and relax. So we just had dinner out here. Now we're just enjoying the company. And it's just been a beautiful night. Hasn't this been a great night, guys?
Very nice.
So what should people do if they like these vlogs?
Subscribe, like, and share all these. I love my job and your job.
And he just did my job because I'm hanging out with the family.
We are at Antietam Battlefield, and this is Antietam National Cemetery over here on the left.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is Sharpsburg, Maryland.
So pretty historic place.
Very historic place.
Wow. Civil War.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna do a little, we're right here where history was. Let's go check it out. All this history. What, 10 minutes from your house?
10 minutes from my home, yes, absolutely.
Look at this vista.
All the battlefield down through there, old farms where the hospitals were. This knoll was where a lot of the cannons were set up, fired.
High ground.
General Bernard B. was the gentleman that gave Stonewall Jackson his nickname of Stonewall Jackson.
Wow, that's kind of
some
cool.
Of my history and
Was
that's
it-
why we're called B. Originally B Landscaping, and now Pond.
Yeah. So that was your great something?
Yeah. Great grandfather. Yeah.
Whoa, that is cool. Stonewall Jackson. Andrew Stonewall Jackson.
Yep.
You see, you check out my vlog channel, you get some history in the process. He's not just a pretty face.